Good evening. Welcome to lecture 17 of NFTL, that is Analysis of Symmetrical Pi Attenuator. In case of symmetrical pi type attenuator, which consists of a single series resistance and two shunt resistances. It consists of a single series resistance, series arm resistances R1, and two shunt arm resistances R2, R2. Where the current entering the attenuator is IS and it is divided into two arms, IS minus IR and IR. Whereas R2 is the series arm resistance, right? So this is RO and this is also RO. Okay. Now we can see from this figure, the circuit, that this is V1 is the input voltage at input port 1, 1 dash, whereas V2 is the output voltage at output port 2, 2 dash. Okay, so we analyze this circuit like this. From the figure, V1 is the input voltage and V2 is the output voltage. According to Kirchhoff's law, Vs is equal to V is equal to IR. So Vs is equal to R1 plus R2 RO upon R2 plus RO into Is. That is the first equation. And VL, the load voltage or the output voltage, which can be equal to IR, the receiving end voltage, is equal to R2 RO divided by R2 plus RO into bracket IS. That is the second equation. Now we know N is equal to IS upon IL. That is equal to Vs upon VL. Divide 1 and 2, we get N is equal to Vs upon VL. So this is equal to into bracket R1 plus R2 plus into RO divided by R2 plus RO into bracket multiplied by IS divided by R2 RO divided by R2 plus RO into bracket IS. So IS and IS gets cancelled and N is equal to R1 upon RO plus R1 upon R2 plus 1. We get this result. Okay. So after calculating, N is equal to R1 R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 RO upon R2 RO. So also this is simplified in the equation N is equal to R1 upon RO plus R1 by R2 plus 1. Now calculate the characteristic resistance from the figure from the end port in which RO is parallel to R2 series with R1 and which is in parallel with R2, that is equal to RO. So RO is equal to RO into R2 divided by RO plus R2 plus R1 into bracket in parallel with R2. So this multiplied by R2 divided by RO R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 RO R1 divided by RO plus R2 plus R2. Now putting the value of N from equation 3. From equation 3, we just put the value of N. In this equation, we get N R2 RO is equal to RO R2 plus R1 RO plus R2 R1. RO is equal to N into R2 into RO into bracket divided by RO plus R2 into R2. Divided by N into R2 RO divided by RO plus R2 plus R2. This is equal to N R2 RO R2. So N into R2 dot RO plus R2 into RO plus R2 into bracket. So RO is equal to N R2 RO R2. So divided by R2 into bracket N RO plus RO plus R2. So R2 and R2 gets cancelled here. Now we get N R2 RO divided by RO plus R2 plus N RO. Now this comes out to be R2 is equal to RO into bracket n1 n plus 1 upon n minus 1. Now we calculate R1 from equation number 4. Calculate R1 from equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. We calculate R1. N is equal to R1 by RO plus R1 by R2 plus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to, this 1 goes to left hand side. N minus 1 is equal to R1 by RO plus R1 by R2. N minus 1 is equal to R1 R2 plus R1 RO divided by RO R2. Now simplify this. You will get R1 is equal to n minus 1 into R2 RO plus divided by RO plus R2. So n minus 1 RO into n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. Whole divided by RO plus RO into n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. Putting the value of R2. Now put the value of R2. You will get this equation. RO into n plus 1 divided by 1 divided by RO n minus 1 plus RO n plus 1. Now this gets cancelled with n minus 1. So here you get RO into n plus 1 into bracket into n minus 1 RO n minus 1 plus n plus 1. N plus 1. So R1 is equal to RO into n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by 2n. RO is equal to n square minus 1 square, that is 1, divided by 2n. So R1 is equal to RO into n square minus 1 divided by 2n. R2 is equal to n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. So this way we calculate the values of R1, R2. Okay. So thank you so much for attending my lecture. Like, share and subscribe my channel.